see that on camera, so that's a 30-minute wait. When in Rome. Anytime you can hop in line for Rise of the Resistance, it's only a 30-minute wait. Good lord.
Transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Bukhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bukhara base secret.
Nine Nom and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Dead doors opening now.
All right, recruits, let's go, let's go! Please make your way to the transport!
Don't need the safety gear on this little ride.
Personnel, this is your final call to board. I am getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Night Nom. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative.
We lost Red 2, more incoming!
Now quick, get up there.
They'll want the location of our secret base.
This ship is now under the command of the First Order. You will all disembark and proceed to the corridor for processing. Get out.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
They're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Stay back, recruits! Don't move!
Resistance, we're here to rescue. Now let's go, let's go.
Go, 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 go,
The front, red, and back. Orange and silver on the right.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, then go to the prisoner. Let me see. Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Lineup, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base